Welcome to Surgi-Clin, your #1 medical procurement company in South Africa. We specialize in selling medical equipment such as patient monitors, ECGs, defibrillators, and more. We also provide repair and calibration services for all types of medical equipment. At Surgi-Clin, we pride ourselves on providing the best care for all our equipment, just like we would for a patient. When a machine comes in for repair or calibration, we see it as a patient in need of attention. Our process begins with Dr. Conrad, who admits the machine and performs a triage evaluation to determine the best course of action. From there, Nurse Lillian takes over and keeps you updated on the progress of your machine's repair. Whether your machine needs spare parts or is in ICU, Dr. Conrad and Nurse Lillian are responsible for ensuring that it receives the attention it needs. Surgi-Clin has branches in Pretoria, Bloemfontein, Cape Town, and Namibia, providing services to hospitals, clinics, and doctors all over the region. So if you need a reliable medical procurement company that can provide you with all your medical equipment needs, repair, service, and calibration of medical equipment, visit Surgi-Clin's website at www.surgiclin.co.za. Contact us today and see how we can be of service to you. Thank you for choosing Surgi-Clin.